I'm sitting in the parking lot of Sally Beauty waiting for them to open so I can go in and get some stuff. No, I did not put makeup on today because I figured if I'm getting hair stuff, chances are I'm going to go right home and dye my hair. So why ruin that lovely makeup? Why waste makeup, right? So yeah, I didn't bother, but in about 10 more minutes, Sally Beauty should be open, and then hopefully they'll let me record in there, because that would be really nice, because then, yeah, you can see what's inside the Sally Beauty. But yeah, so I'm just gonna sit here waiting. I still haven't quite figured out what color I want to do my hair, so it's gonna be interesting. I am absolutely clueless. So I don't know, we'll have to see what I find inside. Yeah, so I guess I'll just sit here and wait for it to open, and hopefully they'll let me film inside. If they do, then awesome. If they don't, then I will show you what I picked up when I come back out to my car. Okay? Stay tuned. Okay, inside Sally Beauty. I'm going to the hair section. These are all the ion permanents. I'm thinking not copper blonde. Look at all the colors though, wow. When it comes to dyeing my hair, I hands down rather come to Sally Beauty than buy box dye. So many different shades. What I'm looking for is light golden brown. I still haven't figured out what color I want to go. But I will most definitely figure it out and let you know. Well, a charm. They also have a ton of selections in hair colors. So pretty. So many selections. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I will most certainly figure it out and get back to you. Oh, he's making all these fun colors. This like purple. Wow. Pink, red, yellow. Blue's been there. Like blood orange. I have a nail polish with that name. Teal. Very mermaid-like. So many bright, vibrant colors. It's like a magenta. Oh, it says magenta right there. I love this store for hair colors. I also have makeup brushes, nail care needs, powders, pretty. Some nail stickers that people were going crazy over. Nail glues. And you can't forget all the nail polish. Look at all this nail polish. If you're looking for a color, I bet they got it here. Very well organized by colors and brands and colors. Dell lashes. Should get some lash glue here, because the lash glue I have, I hate. Can't forget about makeup. Never forget about the makeup. Collab. Yay. So much stuff at the Sally Beauty. Check it out for yourself. Okay, y'all, don't judge me on my shop with me style, because I've only ever done like 2, so I clearly don't know what I'm doing. So I got a demi-permanent hair color, which I don't exactly know what that means. I don't know. It won't stay in for long, I guess. I don't know. We'll find out. Demi-permanent. I really should have read that box. Okay, but then, yeah, so I got this color. It is medium sandy gold. So we're gonna play with that. And then I got, what else? Oh, I got the 10 volume, which I was unaware that you needed 10 volume for demi-permanent. So thanks to the associate who worked here that told me that, because I would have never known. So 10 for that. And then I got a 20. I don't know what I'm doing. And then I got a 20 because I also have highlighting powder in case I decide I want to throw some highlights in it after. And then, y'all, I couldn't pass it up again. I've seen this too many times and I keep going, no, but no, I can wait, I can wait. I got me my lash glue that I love so much because I can't deal with the kiss glue anymore. I just can't. I can't. So that is what I purchased, and now I'm gonna go home and make sure I have enough time to do this hair. So yeah, I guess I will end this right here because I don't want to show you my hair until the next video. So in the next video, you will see what my hair looks like and how it turned out. But yeah, that is it for this video. Make sure you check out your Sally Beauty for all your hair supplies, because let me tell you, it's so much cheaper and the colors are so much better and they last so much longer, and it's so much better on your hair to do it yourself. So check out Sally Beauty. And yeah, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell to become part of the hashtag, I can't do it because I'm holding my phone, Notification Nation, and you will be alerted as soon as my videos go up. Hope you enjoyed this little come with me, and hope you'll tune in for my next video when you will see how my hair turned out. This is how I wink. I can't. All right, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.